ऐसे मत डालो, हाथ लगा, हाथ नहीं है क्या? फिनिश फिनिश फिनिश, रेडी? Only two players, only two.
आजा
Ready? Hold your mark. Set. और दूर में जाओ, लग जाएगा, दूर में रुको, और दूर में बोलता नहीं, क्या हो गया, बोलता नहीं। Ready? Ready? Oh, नीचे, hey. Down, back. Listen me here, listen. Hold your mark, set. Now category 1 boys, housewise standard. Back side. Where are their house captains and all? Why they this? House captains, help them. Why they are doing like this? Now category 3 girls, get ready. Category 3 girls, get ready. पीछे बुलाएगा ना, लाइन करना पड़ेगा अपना हाउस का. Make your own house line. Subansiri, Dikram, and this is Subansiri. This is which house? Dikram. This is Lohit. बुका नहीं बोलेगा, बोलना समझेगा. Judges, please come forward. Little more. These house students, where is the student? that side, that side, that side. Happy birthday. Ready, ready. Okay, this is category 1, boys. Hands down, 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 body down, down. Next. Come here. All will come. All. Keep distance each other. Keep distance. Keep distance each other. Down. Ready? Is it ready? Category 3 girls, category 2 girls, get ready. Category 1 girls also get ready. Go outside the track. Ready? Category 3 girls. Category 3 girls, come here. Those who don't want to play, don't come. Those who don't want to play, don't come. Category 3 girls. Make. Housewise. Where is your house? Where? Dikrong house, only one participant. Only one participant from Dikrong house. Backside. Sit down. Come here too. Two students. Where is Dikrong house? Where is Dikrong house? Dikrong house? And make line here. And what I will do? No, she will come another category. Why she is coming? Category 3 only come. Then you make line. This side go. This is final. First, second, third. Only few numbers of girls there. Please, judges, please note. This is final. 3 players you have to select. First, second, third. Down.
सबके सामने जोश दिखा दे जोश
Down.
दीदी एक मिनट दे दूंगा अच्छा से
Category 2 girls.